Hello YouTube land from the Beast. Well, this is the SG906 Beast drone. You saw me review this several weeks ago, and I also reviewed the CSJ X7 identical drone to this. I've already gone through all the features on this drone. So really quick, the only reason I'm making this video is because when I had this drone several weeks ago, my camera died. So I contacted Geekbine, where I got this from, because they're really good, and I said, hey, my camera died. And they sent me out another one. So since they sent me out another camera to put in this here drone, I thought, well, I got to make another video. I got to do something to show it. So all I'm doing right now is I'm going to make a video showing the video quality that comes out of this here drone, stabilized and non-stabilized video. Now, one thing very important to point out to anyone watching this who's never seen this drone fly before, it does not have a micro SD card. It uses the power of your cell phone. So if you have a crappy cell phone, you get crappy video. If you have a really good cell phone, you get really good video. My cell phone's, you know, it's so-so, so I get so-so video. But I just want to show you the quality that I get on my phone with this here drone. So watch this now. You're going to see stabilized and non-stabilized video from this here drone. All right, I'm at 9 satellites, so I guess we're good to take off. Let's go. There we go, 9 satellites. So this video that you're watching right now is all about the camera, because I have the new camera. So it is pretty windy out here. It's breezy, and yeah, because I don't know if you can hear it in the mic, but everything's blowing. The drone's moving around in the wind. But the objective here is to see how good this camera is in the wind. So let's bring it around. Okay, so now it's looking at me. So I should be somewhat stable. Here, let me move back so I'm right in the image. Bring it up. How is that? The higher I go, the windier it gets, the more wind attacks the drone. And if I move this way, I'm going to put the drone so that the sun is right behind it. That is with image stabilization on. So with image stabilization on, I think it drops to 1080p. I'm not sure. I'll confirm this in below this video. It will say yes or no, because I can check it on my home computer. So that's it. Look at the tree behind it. I don't know if you can see that. The tree behind it is blowing in the wind, and the drone is pretty stable, and that's the video image. So that's what a lot of people wanted to see. How good is the Beast for stabilized video? There it is going around. How is that image quality? I've got it going way fast, so it's pretty fast. I'm doing this manually. This is not the orbit mode on here. I'm manually turning this to try to get it to go around. Going into settings, and it says stabilization on. I'm going to turn it off. This is no stabilization. So now as the wind bounces it around, the image should move. But the image should be sharper because now you're getting full 2K resolution here. So I'll put below exactly what the exact resolution is underneath this video. Okay, so this is the orbiting, no stabilization. How is that? Orbiting, no stabilization. I'm trying to keep the drone as smooth as possible. I'll have to bring it up a little bit. There we go, it's going around. No stabilization on. I'm trying to keep myself in the image looking at the camera on the drone. No stabilization. So how does that look? You know, it's a smooth motion going around. So what do you expect? So if you have this drone, you have a choice between stabilized or unstabilized footage depending on the power of your cell phone. Okay, this is up in the wind, no stabilization on. So let's see how the horizon looks. Take it way up, and there we go. How does the horizon look? Are the houses moving all over the place? It's in the wind, bouncing around. So I would say it doesn't look, it probably looks sharper, but not as good. Okay, bring it back down. This is up in the wind, and this is with stabilization on. Tell me how it looks. There we go, there's the horizon, stabilization's on. Does it look better? It should. Should look much better. That's stabilization on. Okay, let's bring this back down. One thing I like about the Beast drone is it's so stable with the GPS. I'm flying in all these trees, and yet it has a GPS signal really nice. I can fly with one hand, fly it this way, fly it that way, fly it this way. Okay, the drone's away over there. I'm gonna put the camera on, and we're gonna go into follow me mode. I'll just show you what follow me mode looks like. GPS follow me mode. Now I have stabilization on. It's one thing I like about this drone. A lot of drones don't let you fly low to the ground in follow me mode. This one does for some reason. It doesn't really care about the height. It doesn't seem to anyways. I'm gonna run towards it. Coming at you, where are you going? Oh, it's starting to go backwards. Starting to go backwards. It's in stabilized mode, still going backwards. Still going backwards, still going backwards, still going backwards in stabilization. Okay, so right now you see me through the front lens of this drone, and I have stabilization off. That's why the image is moving around. I'm going to show you the bottom lens. You can switch it on your display. All right, so now I'm going to walk under it. I should be in here. I'm looking through the camera on the bottom. So you can switch between the front camera and the bottom camera. So that's what I look like. And you can do those fly up in the air things. All right, so what did you think? Now, if you're one of those people who has a DJI drone, of course you're gonna write some goofy comment below and say, you know, the quality's not that great, but you have to remember, this is a drone that costs just a little bit over $100, at least it used to cost just a little bit over $100 when it was on sale. Hopefully it's still on sale. So you get an awful lot for what you pay for. It's one of the better drones compared to some of the other ones on the market. I did say before when I did all my reviews weeks ago that this would be one of the most popular drones of 2019, and it has turned out to be one of the most popular drones of 2019. A lot of people have bought this. They sold a heck of a lot of these. So if you find this on sale, check the links below. I have no idea if it's still on sale. If it's on sale, hey, by all means, pick one up because they are pretty awesome. All right, thanks for watching this video. I'm also putting links below to my other reviews of this drone, and check it out. All right, so from myself and Mr. Beast, thank you for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one with many more drone reviews.